beautiful people, welcome back to another holiday glam tutorial. We're just gonna jump straight into this video. I'm going in with my Nubian 2 palette. I'm using a fluffy brush and I'm gonna take that brown shade and just use it as my transition color. So I'm gonna stamp that all onto my eyelid in my crease area, and then I'm gonna buff it out using circular motions. Next, I'm taking this burnt orange shade and I'm going to use that same brush, and I'm just using that to lightly blend out the brown that we just put down. Next, we're using the Changeable Fantasy palette, and I'm just going to take the black shade using the same brush, and we're going to stamp it on the outer corner and then slowly and lightly blend it in the crease just to darken up the crease a bit, but you don't want it to overtake the brown and the other eyeshadow that you placed down already. Now I'm just taking a clean blending brush and I'm just going to use that to blend all the colors in together to give it that airbrush effect. Next, I'm going back in the Nubian 2 palette and I'm taking the highlighting shade, and I'm just going to use a small pencil-like brush to highlight my brow bone. Now, the highlight was a bit too harsh, so you're going to notice that I'm going to just blend it out and soften it with my fingers. And I'm also going to take that same highlight shade to put in my inner corners. Now I'm just taking that same black shade and placing it underneath my eye because I feel like that completes the eye look. And then next I'm going to take a flat brush and put black eyeshadow all over my lid, just so that when I put the black glitter down, it's gonna have an opaque look to it. Next, I'm taking my NYX glitter primer and I'm just going to squeeze some on the back of my hand, and then I'm taking that same flat brush and I'm placing it wherever I put the black down, and that's where we're going to put our glitter. It's great to use a primer because the glitter won't stick to your lid unless you use something tacky. So now for the glitter, I'm using this fine black glitter, and I'm going to use the same brush so that the glitter could stick to the brush and eliminate the amount of fallout, because once you put foundation down, if glitter falls on it, it's going to be hard for you to get it off. So I'm just pressing that wherever I put the primer, and I'm just looking down as an extra precautionary measure to avoid the glitter dropping all over my face. So now I'm taking the black again just to darken up my outer corner a bit, and now I'm going in with my black liquid liner and I'm going to create a wing and just line my eyes. I kept this makeup look very simple for anybody who was looking to recreate this kind of look. I only used a couple of steps and it only took me about 20 minutes to do. So this is how the eyes are looking so far, but we're going to step it up a notch, and I'm going to use this white liquid liner, and for this you're going to want to have a very steady hand. You're going to want to take your time and line it above the black liquid liner, but if you happen to make any mistakes, you can always go back over it with the black liner to clean it up. So for this look, I wanted it to be thin on the inner corner and then thicker as it crossed the lid, and then make it thinner on the other corner so that it kind of fades into the black liner. And now you can see I'm just plucking the eyeliner from off of my eyelashes because you don't want any white or anything to be visible for when you put your false lashes in. It just helps it to blend in better and make it look more natural. So next, I'm just applying mascara to my bottom lashes and also my top lashes to prepare them for my falsies. And then I'm going to be doing my traditional nude and gloss lip just so it doesn't take away from this eyeliner look. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let down my hair and apply my eyelashes and lip gloss, and voila! Here we have the completed look. I'm gonna give you guys an up-close look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Much love to y'all. Bye!